Hello guys, today I would like to teach how to service a laptop. It's actually fairly simple. The first thing you need is a sharp pointed Phillips screw. It's something like this, sharp pointed. Okay. The second one is you need a very flat screwdriver. This used to pry open some part of your laptop. It's actually sometimes very hard, but you use it gently. After I teach you, I will guide you along. Don't worry. This is tweezer. It's very important because laptop consists of very small components like so small screws, small electronics, so you use tweezer to handle them. Electronics are very sensitive to static discharge, so you need grounding strip. This soft brush, very soft, to clean off some dust. This is a point of service. You need to clean the dust in the electronics. Of course, you need pen and paper to note the location of the screw. Time to service the laptop. Cut off the power first, then you unplug the power. This is to prevent voltage spike within the laptop. Okay, first of all, remove the battery first. It's a power supply. You just remove the battery to let it die. Just unlock it. Push unlock. Okay, then like this, move to upright. On the left side of your laptop, you see here, left side of your laptop will be an SD card. It's a dummy. It's made of plastic. Okay, so just remove it. Okay. We are about to touch the internal parts of the computer, so it's important to wear ESD discharge thing. This one is connected to the grounding part of the power adapter. Actually, in case you're afraid of the raw voltage, you can use this one. Actually, it's also part of grounding. Okay. Flip your computer upside down. Then you have to remove the back cover. This is the RAM and the hard disk. Remove it. Okay, after you unlock the screw, it's equipped. There is a self-locking mechanism within it, so you have to slowly open here, open. You will hear some sound, but don't worry about it. Gently, just gently open it. Open like this, then you pull out. Press. Here got one screw and one screw. Remove hard disk. Just unscrew this one. This one screw very small. Take a tweezer, remove it. It's very small. Be careful, don't lose it. It's very important. Then use this screwdriver to gently push it out. Just be gently. See, once it's unlocked. This is the brain. Be careful. Don't drop it or anything. Yeah. Removing Wi-Fi module. removing CD drive is located here, the screw. Just unscrew it. Then for make life easier, use magnet. And be like magic is outside. See? Magic. Push it out. Okay, now remove all the screw around here. Remember to remove these two screws are very tiny, you will sometimes neglect it. Okay, after you unscrew every screw, untangle this wire, untangle it. Then you flip the laptop upright. Gently open it because the structure is now weak, kinda weak. Remove the keyboard. You see, keyboard don't have screw. It's using a clip, secure clip. So the clip located at F4, F8, and F12. So if you come nearer, you see they'll have a lock there. Okay, after you unlock the pin, gently pull out. Like this, pull out. Then you flip like this. You go. There'll be a strip ribbon here. Use tweezer. Push it out. Okay. After removing the keyboard, be sure to unscrew this. This time I already unscrew it, so I just take out. Then here got ribbons, wire ribbons. You go to remove it. I give you an example how to remove this type of ribbon, so I don't show it to you later on. So it's like this. You go to unlock the lock here, and here also. Be gently, there's a electronic there. And here got small plastic. Pull it out. After you unscrew it, remove all the wires. You use this type of screw. It's very sharp. Slowly pry open around here. You just slowly pry open it. Be sure under there, that's why I tell you, the screw totally remove, unscrew. You open like this, there will be anti-lock around there, so the sound will be very hard breaking, so you just slowly okay, so unzip it. After you remove this is the motherboard. This is the audio jack and the USB. So you must remove it. You have to unscrew it. Here, just now go unscrew. I just remove it and unscrew. This is the graphic card to the LCD. So the idea how to open it is just you push it up, push it upwards. So it's push it upwards. Like this, simple, very simple. You see the port. And this is the Wi-Fi wire, the antenna. So you down there, you go to open it. You just open it. Nice. So this is the antenna. And you can remove your motherboard. See? Simple, right? So after you remove, here is the motherboard. So this is the upright. When you upside down it is see, it's very dirty. This is the CPU, this is the GPU. So you unscrew it. So there are 6 screws today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You unscrew it. After you unscrew it, this is how I open. Oh, sorry. This one, you have to open it. This freezer. Pull it out. Just pull out, but gently. Okay, pull out. So just like open. Very simple. Just remove. So here is it. System, CPU, graphic card. Get it out of the thing. So now this is the fan. I want to clean the internet, whether you want or not. This is compulsory. So there will be 4 screws around here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I unscrew it. So this is the tricky part. Okay, so here is the CPU. Just now we unscrew it. So you have to cut around here. I use a pen knife. You have to cut around here so that it can bend. This fin and the metal cover is one together. So it's just only the fan. So you bend it. Bend it gently. And you open the inner part. This is the best part. So here's your treasure. Thick sponge or dust. How you like that? So this is the cleaning. I begin. So bye bye. Okay. So now this is a fix back procedure. So when you fix back, it's important for you to remember not to tighten one part only. So you just screw a little bit gently, make it grip a little bit, then you grip here, grip here, grip here, grip here, grip here. Once everything a bit grip, then you tighten one by one. So it's like I tighten now here. To make sure even, don't one side tighten, others tight. That is not good. So all of them are tight. Make sure I tight this thermal system, so it's not very secure. So after you fix the motherboard, this one, there's a way to fix it, you know. It's like you go to put like this and you put down. Okay, put like this, put down. So you mainly put here, just push there, then put down. So this is it, after service laptop with the fan fully clean internally. So good luck service laptop. Bye bye.